again, Mamasita Nicoll, of course. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe after you watching my video. Yes. So today, we are going to the river. Yeah. And we're gonna do fishing for fun. And I hope you guys to see you there and God bless. So guys, I'm here already in the lake. Lake siya, but my park there. My park then. We just come here for fun. So we, do something. It's a little bit bored in the house before we're gonna leave in Monday, going in Seattle. So it's really beautiful in here. Look at that. And they have a little bit music. Yes. O, diba? Ikot ko lang yung camera natin. So we just drive here for 25 minutes. Close sa husband ko na sa work niya, sa office. Yun lang. Look at that, guys. We have some duck in here. I'm gonna walk around. You're gonna see the beautiful trees in here in the park. Okay. So now I'm going in the restroom, guys. So this is the one. It's a little bit nicer. So we'll see what's in there. So I try to walk, guys. I find another lake in here. Look at that. It's a long way, but it's beautiful in here. I can't believe they have two lakes in this park. It's wonderful. Very peaceful too. But the problem is hot. Look at that. Dang. Unbelievable. Some kids, they are biking in here. And they have a lot of ducks. Dang. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. They are swimming too. Mga duckies. I heard some people say if they have a lot of ducks, it means to say a lot of fish also. But look at that beautiful mountain also in the back. Dang. So now, guys, we need to going back in the place where my husband. I'm super thirsty and I have a long way to walk. Look at that. And my skin is very sore. It's really hot for now. I think it's 80 degrees. And then I did not put any sunblock in my skin, so good luck for that. I think in another side, they have some birthday party. I heard some people singing and, some balloons. So, hopefully, in this video, I don't have CPR. So, I hope, guys, my husband, he can catch some fish. So, I'm excited for that. And, of course, I'm happy also. So, we'll see. Guys, I'm here already. I drank already the water, but my husband is still not catching any fish. So, I'm sad. Sana all my forever. Kasi yung two ducks, ang sweet nila. Ganun. Buti pa ang ducks, my forever.
So guys, it's 90 degrees. It's not 80 degrees. So it's really hot in here, but anyway, thanks for watching and like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always updated for my new video.